Hello, this is Dr. Wamidh Simawi from Sweden. I want to present this case with the new design chopping. The idea is to reduce the Phaco delivery time and reducing stress on zonula and incisions. So the main idea is to make a good proper implementing of the Phaco tip within the nucleus body and applying vertical chopping maneuvers within the safety zone. This will result in direct cracking, and we complete that with the lateral separation in situ as described by Dr. Vazavada. Multiple fragments will help us to reduce the Phaco time. In the same time, it will give us better stability, less damage to the endothelial cells. As we notice here in this surgery, the Phaco tip is almost stable within the safety zone. On the supracapsular level, the most maneuvers are done with the chopper, which has a sharp edge, and this will reduce the instrument tissue resistance. That's why we get good cracking effect and very sharp edge of the fragments. Consuming this small fragment will give us better stability, less damage, and less iatrogenic stress on the zonal system. Thank you for attention. Wamidh Simawi from Sweden. Thank you.